What's up everyone? So today we're out playing with both of the cars. In just a little bit you guys are gonna hear my R8 V8. Comment down below, let me know if you think it is too quiet. I think it's time for an upgrade for this car, as you guys will see. What do you guys think? Think maybe a straight pipe of some kind?
I think the R8 needs a little oven.
It needs the earphone users. You need a little more.
Hey, so you can see part of your stock exhaust right here. Ooh. If you're talking about a new exhaust, if it happens to be titanium, that might be pretty sick.
And it's the next day, you guys. It is time for me to unbox my brand new Armytrix Valvetronic exhaust for my Audi R8. You can see Brian's already unboxed his. His video will be going up first. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, that is pretty light. I mean, it's got some weight to it, but to be able to pick up the whole thing that easily. All right, so I'm gonna set you guys up there while I open it up. Don't get cut by this. Wow, this is super light. Look at this one hand. Hey, I didn't tell you to open that one yet. Alright, one more box and we'll see what Maddie was looking at here. Maddie, come here. You wanted to open this box? Well, no, come over here. You're in the way of the camera.
Over here, man.
You have to know how to film, girl. What is that? Oh, these are those new clamps. Hey. Oh, just those. Here, can you throw that away for me? Go throw that away. Okay, she got out of the camera. Alright guys, so here it is, my full Armytrix titanium exhaust for the R8. This was packaged really nicely, and look at this, one-handed. This is super light. I think it's gonna save me about 40 pounds or so. We'll do a weight test in the install video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. This box here, if you wanna zoom on in, this is the remotes to open and close the valves and put them on automatic as well. This is gonna be so cool to install and be able to mess with those. Very nice box and everything. This is a super nice looking kit. I can't wait to put it on. And just the quality of this exhaust, all the welds look really nice. There's a nice stamp here that says Audi R8 V8 on it. Here's the valves that are gonna open and close on the muffler section of it. So there's actually more in here? Well, I didn't know that. Instructions, I hope. Or at least for some of it. We'll go through that later. Oh, okay. This is how we're going to be able to open and close the valves. So all the wiring for that. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. A lot of work, but I'm sure we can manage it. A lot of cool parts in there for sure. So there it is, my full titanium Armytrix exhaust for the R8. I wasn't fully convinced on doing a straight pipe route, which is why I went with this system. I can play around with the valves, turning them on and off. This is also gonna give me about a 40-pound weight savings versus the stock exhaust. So this is gonna be a lot of fun to install, and I can't wait for you guys to hear it. If you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, stay tuned for the install videos, along with the before and after sound clips. I will see you guys next video.